to the road beckon calls.
Okay, another beautiful day.
It's freezing.
It's cold, it's really cold. So we are now in Nashville and we are at the, what do you call it?
Parthenon.
Okay, she's got it covered, I don't. There's Sandra, Stacey's mum,
Hello.
Ronnie, Stacey's dad. He's a bit camera shy. So yeah, we're going to go and have a look. It's pretty enormous. What is it? It's replication? Is it,
Replication
or?
of the Athens, yeah.
Yeah, the one in Greece. So,
Look at that bus.
oh, we've got a double decker trolley behind us. There you go. So, we're going to check it out. Let's go. It's enormous. It's actually a full-scale replica of the one in Athens. And it was built in 1897. So, that's a fair while ago.
Yeah.
Stacey's shaking.
Give us the camera.
It's pretty cold.
It's so cold.
I think it's what, 6 degrees?
I don't know.
Something like
10?
that. And there's a breeze. Like, it makes you feel so small. Like, look at how high this is. It's enormous. It's pretty remarkable.
Yeah.
It's like something straight out of Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's the prices. Here's the times. Got a ticket. There you go. Oh, it's plaster.
Oh, sculpting competition. Yeah. My 1897 sculpting competition. Yeah, pretty cool. It's a winner.
What did you say?
It's from 1852.
It's impressive.
Yeah. They're all local arts
Oh, really?
from the areas, yeah.
1873. Wow.
Okay, maybe they're not all local artists, but that one previously was. We're heading to the upper level.
Which, oh, this will sort them out. Yep. Oh, wow.
Wow. Now this is what.
So we did the art gallery downstairs, and then there's an upper level, and weren't really sure about it. Art's not really my thing. I appreciate it. It's not kind of something to go chasing for though. But as we so as we come up the stairs, yeah, wow. Check this out.
Jeez.
Is there any information on it?
Over their sides.
Oh, wait, what? So that thing we just read about, Nike,
Is that thing in the hand?
is 6'4", and that's in her hand. My God. That is a huge bitch. Wow. Another huge room. Wow. What are you checking out, Stokes?
Some history on these sculptures. They're all recreations by this lady, Belle Kinney, who's native to Nashville. These were all done in 1920s.
1920s.
Yeah.
So the little guy up the top is 6'4". I'm 6'3", so he's another inch taller than me. And he looks like a Tic Tac.
Yeah.
Compared. The bronze, made out of bronze, is his head. These bronze doors weigh between 7.5 tons each.
Wow.
Oh, go. And are 6 foot wide and 24 feet high and 1 foot thick.
Wow.
That's enormous. The doors are balanced on a huge steel hinge with ball-bearing collars top and bottom that enable them to move very easily. Yeah, they're functional. Break a knuckle knocking on that bell.
Was this? It was built for a fair, and then they just left it. So in 1897, yeah. Over 20 years, the plastic cake began to crumble, and ivy grew up the columns. So yeah, in 1920 they had to
Redo it
all.
with the stone.
Yeah, redo it with stone. Oh, yeah, here it is. Where they started fixing it.
1923. Oh, a tornado in 1923 wreaked havoc on the building, tearing off its roof.
Wow, so it's gone through some wars.
Yeah, tornado wrecked it.
So that's why they had to rebuild all the sculptures and stuff.
Yeah, tornado ripped the roof off this place.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's this? Is this the old stuff that was on it?
All plaster stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad they fixed it up.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So everyone can like experience it now. It's awesome. It's probably the closest I'll get to Athens.
Got a commemorative coin.
Yeah.
So, well, let's head on out. Let's go.
So we just left the Parthenon and we're heading towards downtown Nashville. Gonna go check it out. Just had a little bit of lunch in the RV and yeah, gonna go check out what's in downtown. Dad, explain where we are.
It is the warehouse of the American pickers that are on TV.
Yeah. Whereabouts?
That I watch all the time.
Nashville? Yeah, in Nashville.
Yeah, in Nashville, yeah. They got 2 stores.
Yeah?
Don't know where the other one is.
He doesn't know where the other one is. Yeah. Stairs are really old.
They sound, yeah.
Doing a little photo shoot here.
You going too? You going?
Oh.
Come on. You can remember what?
Sort of like an interactive museum.
What is it?
That knows? Molten steel. It's all molten steel up on top of it. It's still there. It's make the bodies or the chassis. At least we think so. Sounds good.
Well, yeah, I have some.
In theory.
We were just there.
Yep. Oh, there you go.
Marathon Motorworks or something.
The showroom. Yeah, this is my music.
Yeah.
Okay. You cool? This is a shop your dad really wants to go into.
Found your shop, Dad.
Oh, look at his smile.
You just
There
took me
you go.
elsewhere, didn't you?
Took us all around the countryside.
Save the best mask, huh?
Wow.
Oh, cool.
Neat store, hey?
Yeah, you can buy an actual.
Jacket.
You can buy
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I know.
Sale.
See how high it is on the wall?
Yeah. Ah,
How much you reckon?
oh, not for sale.
Oh. $12 if you want a NASCAR thing. Yeah.
There you go, Ronnie.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
$26 for it, though.
Yeah.
Oh, well, like you want it?
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
This one says respect the right.
At least
Home of the pickers.
Come on, get the sign, Dad. Get the sign.
is that the name of them?
Yeah, that's what they go on.
Oh, well, give it then.
Home of the pickers.
What is that? So it plays
So,
music.
yeah, it plays music. It's a band.
Yeah. Yeah, there.
There's a display. Huh.
Okay, thank you.
You got your antique. You got your goodies.
Goodies.
We thought the shop wasn't here, but it turns out it was.
We took a drive down the main street in Nashville, checking out all of the restaurant options. We struggled to find parking for our 30-foot RV, but we did manage to find free parking over at the Nissan Stadium across the riverside, which was awesome. Just had to walk a little way over the bridge to enjoy our night out in Nashville. We loved it here and would definitely 100% come back to Nashville.
I got plowed. It's a good combo, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Can you imagine? Basically the shit that I do. Are you hearing a band? Because like, yeah, I'm blocking the whole.
We're tasting everything they have to offer. To be honest, you probably should have just got replica and just split it. We got everything. Okay, I need to get comfortable. We're in for some meat sweats. Okay, so on this one we have ribs, smoked chicken, turkey. On this one we have pulled pork, pork shoulder, and Texas sausage, I believe.
Nice.
Mac and cheese, green beans, and apples for dinner. For dessert. And I believe this to be cornbread.
Sounds like bread. Yeah.
Bread, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you get, Mum?
I got pork. We call it something, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
I should know that as a cornbread. Cornbread.
Good.
Yeah, looks good.
Enjoy your dinner?
Yeah, we can't walk. We've got a long way to walk now.
I'm full.
You're full?
I'm full as anything. I'm sick. Oh. You should have been filming that.
What happened?
They couldn't get across. They're the cattle. What are you doing?
Looking actually hot.
What were these ones?
So they're like, and the front, I don't like
How square they
flat
are?
toe, yeah.
Alright, we just spent, I think, like 2 hours in here. And we got ourselves some boots.
Cowboy boots.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Boot barn!
Let's walk in the main street of Nashville.
Look what's here.
What?
GT350.
Nice.
It's been a good night.
Alright, so we're going to end the video here in Nashville. We had a really good night here. It was pretty awesome. Yeah, what do you think, guys?
Pretty wild.
Yeah, there's a
Spent too much money.
Yeah, we spent a lot of money.
Spent a long time sitting there waiting for the boots to get picked out.
Yeah, we spent like 2 hours here in that boot store.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, we had a good time.
Yeah, it was good. Good dinner.
Good vibe. Heaps
Barbecue
of
for
people.
dinner.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was good.
everyone's having a great time here in Nashville.
We're back on the road now.
Yep,
So yeah, go to bed. Wake up another place tomorrow.
yep. See you then.
See ya.
Bye.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.